China has been facing another round of major electricity shortfalls since last winter. At least a dozen provinces have issued power curbing or rationing orders. Foreign trade SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises, which are engaged in foreign trade, are severely impacted by the orders. Textile dyeing and printing industries in China's eastern Zhejiang province are among the hardest hit in this new wave of power shortage. The local authorities of Shaoxing City, Zhejiang Province, ordered emergency power cuts on September 21, 2021, according to a local businessman. The notice came very abruptly. It came at 3 a.m., informing the 161 businesses on the list that steam supply would be cut from 6 a.m. and electricity would be cut from 8 a.m. Mr. Lin, pseudonym, owner of a dyeing business in Shaoxing, told the Chinese-language edition of the Epoch Times in an interview on September 23. These businesses are listed as energy-intensive businesses by the local authorities. According to the emergency power cut notice, all the businesses in Shaoxing must close for 3 days from September 19 to 21, and all the energy-intensive textile printing and dyeing businesses must halt their production from September 19 to the end of the month. Lin said that the power cut delays their delivery and results in serious consequences to the local businesses. It is very serious for us. That means all our orders will be delayed. We cannot deliver on time, Lin said. Our clients may ask us for compensation. He said that the sudden power cut hit foreign trade businesses really hard. Some business owners went to the local government for help, which was just useless, Lin said. The printing and dyeing industries in Shaoxing account for about 1/3 of the production capacity in China and will have an impact on the global printing and dyeing markets, according to a report of RFA, Radio Free Asia, in September. In Guangdong Province, China's major manufacturing hub, local governments adopt power rationing policies and fine enterprises that don't follow them. Mr. Bai, pseudonym, the owner of a socks company in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, said in the interview with the Chinese-language edition of the Epoch Times on September 23 that power curbing is becoming more severe. At first we were allowed production for 5 days in the week, but now the local authorities only allow us 2 days, Mr. Bai said. He has no idea when the power curb will be lifted, and his company is suffering huge losses every day. I am not able to fulfill my daily order, Mr. Bai said. Mr. Liao, pseudonym, the owner of a silicon products company in Zhongshan City, Guangdong, told the Epoch Times a similar situation on September 23. He said the local power curbing policy is open for 3 days and closed for 4 days every week. We can't deliver our products on time, this is one thing.